Recover your TRC20 USDT using your recovery phrase. Imagine waking up one morning, checking your crypto wallet, and finding your USDT gone, vanished, just empty. Your heart pounds, panic sets in. What happened? Is your money lost forever? If someone sent you TRC20 USDT and you have your recovery phrase, don't panic. You can get your funds back in just a few simple steps. But before we dive in, real quick, smash that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. This channel is your ultimate guide to mastering crypto, staying ahead of scams, and making the most out of this digital revolution. Your TRC20 USDT is built on the Tron blockchain, so you'll need a wallet that speaks its language. Here are 3 of the best options: TronLink, the go-to browser extension and mobile app; Trust Wallet, simple, secure, and mobile-friendly; Atomic Wallet, a solid choice for both desktop and mobile users. Using an incompatible wallet could mean trouble. Some wallets don't support TRC20 tokens, leaving your funds in limbo. Choose wisely. Step 2. Import your recovery phrase. Got your wallet? Great! Now it's time to reclaim what's yours. 1. Download and install the wallet of your choice. To select Import Wallet or Restore Wallet. 3. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase exactly as given. 1 wrong word and you're locked out. Set a strong password if required. 5*, complete the setup, and boom, you're back in control. That moment when your balance pops up feels like finding money you thought was lost forever. Step 3. Check your USDT balance. Your wallet is restored, but where's your USDT? If it's not showing up automatically, don't freak out. Simply search for USDT TRC20 in your wallet and edit manually. Step 4. Withdraw or transfer USDT optional. Want to move your funds? There's one crucial thing you need: TRX for gas fees. Every TRC20 transaction requires a small amount of TRX to process. Without it, your funds are stuck. Pro tip: always keep a small stash of TRX in your wallet. A few cents worth can save you from a big headache. Many people forget this step and wonder why they can't move their USDT. Don't be that person. Important warnings: protect your crypto. Before we wrap up, listen carefully. These are the golden rules of crypto safety. Never share your recovery phrase. It's the keys to your kingdom. If someone gets it, they owe you and your funds. ONLY download wallets from official sources. Scammers love fake wallet apps. Double check everything. 1 wrong letter in a wallet address and your funds are gone. No refunds in crypto. Now, here's the thing. Recovering USDT is just the beginning. What if I told you there's a way to protect your funds from ever getting lost in the first place? Click on the next video to learn the ultimate crypto security hacks that will keep your assets safe in 2025 and beyond. And before you go, drop a comment below. Have you ever lost access to your crypto? Let's talk about it. And of course, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing crypto tip. This script is designed to keep viewers hooked, engaged, and motivated to take action. It builds tension, fear of losing funds, excitement recovering their USDT, and urgency taking action now to protect their crypto. Bonus tip: add some visuals, glitch effects for urgency, humor to reset attention, and smooth scene transitions for a cinematic feel.